Hi guys, this is our fourth class, and in this class we are going to learn that how we can draw structure in downtrend. So drawing structure is very easy. Let's start. So let's suppose we are in a uptrend and market forming higher high and higher low. So in a uptrend we have learned that this is our last support in uptrend, and if market break and close this last support, it means that this show a weakness in uptrend structure. So if a wave break previous higher low point, so it means that this may be a first wave at downside. So in a downtrend, the criteria of our downtrend is we need three waves. This is first wave, second a retracement wave, and third wave should break previous lower low point. So this is criteria of uptrend. So it means that after forming these three waves, it means that now we are in a downtrend, and this is our first wave, second and third wave. So first wave should break its previous higher low point in uptrend structure. So it means that now this is our first wave. So let's suppose at this point market start retracement. Okay, so this whole area is the range until market break to the upside or downside. So let's suppose market break this lower low point. So now we can say that this is a downtrend. Okay, so next this is our fourth, fifth and sixth wave. So what are the rules of these waves? First, second and third wave. So first wave should break previous higher low point, and second wave should contain at least two consecutive buy candle in retracement, and third wave should break previous lower low point. So let's suppose that we are in a uptrend, and this is our higher low point, and this is our high. So as I say that this area is our last support in structure. So if market break and close this last support, so it means that it may be our first wave at downside. Okay, so what is criteria of second wave? If market print two consecutive buy candle in this retracement, it may be a 3, 4, 5, but we need two consecutive buy candle. So now we can mark our resistance line. This is our resistance. Okay, so now we'll wait to market to break and close this resistance line. So if market break and close this resistance line, so now we can say that this is first wave, and this is second, and this is third wave, and now we are in a proper downtrend. So what are the rules of fourth and fifth wave? If market print two consecutive buy candle in retracement, let's suppose this is buy candle and this is sell candle. So now this lower low is not confirmed. When we can say that this is confirmed lower low, when market print two consecutive buy candle. So here we can say that this is our confirmed lower low, and this is our resistance. Okay, so we'll wait to market to break and close this resistance line. So if market break and close this resistance line, so it means that now we can say that this is our confirmed lower high point, and this is our lower low point. So in this way we can mark structure in downtrend. So let's mark structure on real market. So this is GBP USD chart. So let's suppose that this is our first wave at downside. So here you can see that after making first wave we need two consecutive buy candles. So here you can see that three consecutive buy candle. So it means that we can mark our resistance line. So this is our resistance line. will wait market to break and close this resistance line. So here you can see that this is break and close. When market break and close resistance line, we can mark our lower high point. So after breaking and closing, when market print two consecutive buy candle in retracement, then we can mark our lower low point. So after marking lower low point, this is our last resistance, and this is our last support in structure at this point. So when market break and close our resistance line, so now we can mark our next lower high point. So after making a low, when market print two consecutive candle in retracement, it means that now we can mark our lower low point. So and also we can mark our resistance line. So this is our resistance line. So here you can see that at this point market breaking and closing our resistance line. So this is our last support in this area. So when market break and close our resistance line, so it means that now we can mark our next lower high, and lower high point is point between this lower low and this break and closing point, higher high point between these 2 points. So this is higher high point, so it means that this is our next lower high point and this is our next lower low. Why this is our next lower low? Because here you can see that two consecutive buy candle. After making this lower low, market is printing two consecutive buy candle at upside. So this area become our resistance, and this is our last support in downtrend structure. So after this you can see that this is break and close, so it means that now we can mark our next lower high, and this is our next lower low point. Why this is our next lower low? Because here you can see that after breaking and closing our resistance line, market is printing two consecutive buy candle. So this is our lower high point, and this is our next lower low point, and this is our next lower high point, and this is our next lower low point, this is our next lower high point, and this is our next lower low point. So at this point, this is our last support in structure, and this is our resistance. Why this is our resistance? Because after marking this low, here you can see the two consecutive buy candle, and this is our last support. Why? Because this is our lower high point. So if market break and close this lower high point, it means that now our downtrend structure is violated. Okay, and now we are in a range until market form proper uptrend. Okay, so this is the way you can mark structure in downtrend. So that's it. Thank you.